his head turned to something. You just
Probably because it broke its neck when it ran into the.
It's beautiful.
You're beautiful. Look at those feathers.
One time Parker hit a bird on a beach trip with a softball, and some like tree hugger came out there and made him have a burial service with it.
Made him have to do a burial service?
Yes.
Alright, a little bit more out.
So far, you left-handed.
I do a lot of stuff with my left hand, but I'm not like left-handed. It's kind of weird.
That's a shallow grave.
I'm left-footed.
It is a shallow grave. The roots are pretty thick though.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure this, what is this, hydrangea?
I'm telling you, it's gonna be.
Mary Beth,
We'll consume him.
You will be loved forever.
Does anyone have a few more words? You have some words?
It was a good bird, and it was beautiful.
Yes, anyone else?
Life is short.
Lots of colors.
Yeah.
I was the
circle of
burial
life.
The
person.
grave digger?
The grave digger.
Do you have any words?
She lived a good life, or he.
Amen.
This is the circle of life.
And then look, you know, we've got new life.
Woohoo!
So,
It really is a circle of life.
it really is.
You live, you die.
Who tells your story?
Algae bloom, algae grow fast, algae die fast.
Basically.
Circle of life.